Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we have got a special treat. We've got a sneak peek at something. Want to see what it is? Mystery box. So, this is from Main Streat Treat Co. And it looks like the United States Postal Service had a vendetta against this box. So, man, they really just beat it to death. So I'm really hoping everything is okay in here. And we're going to go through this and I'll explain exactly what this is. And that's all coming up right now. Alright, so this looks like a mystery box, but like I said, this is from Main Streat Treats Company, and the name of this specific box is called Magic's in the Air. This box releases tomorrow, so we got a sneak peek at this one. Full disclosure, Main Streat Treats Company sent us this box for free, so I just want you to know that no matter what, I'm still going to be honest, but I have really good feelings because every box we've gotten from them so far has been amazing. This one, I'm hoping is in good shape because it took its a scenic route to get here a little bit, and they really didn't treat it well in transit. So, that being said, let's take a look because I'm ready for some snacks. Yeah. Alright, let's just hope it hasn't been pulverized to dust. Ready? Okay. So again, this comes out tomorrow, and you can find Main Streat Treats Company on Facebook. Alright, first things first, their postcard, and I will put a better picture so you can see it, boop, up in the corner. Gives you a couple shots of some of the snacks that they have. First things first, we've got a bag of Mickey pretzels, which I just finished off the other bag that I got from my last box. I have no qualms with Chip 'n Dale's Snack Company. I will put a better picture in the photo box and boop, throw it up there so you can check it out. Oh. Goofy's Candy Company. So, our last one had the regular gummies in it. This has the sour character gummies. I'm very excited to eat those. Let me throw a better picture up. Boop. That is amazing. Cannot wait to get into that. So far, so good. Everything's looking like it's in good shape, even though this box is not. So, all right. Now we have Disney Parks Minnie's Sweets Cocoa Spoon. So this is right from the parks. I can't believe this made it here without... It's in perfect shape. I'm actually going to take this out of this package and throw it up on the... Well, I'll put a photo box up with the package, boop, and then I'll put a photo box up with it out, with it not in the package, boop. So you can take a look at that. I have not had one of those, so I am interested to try that. So it looks like melting instructions. Add cocoa spoon to 6 ounces of hot, not boiling milk or milk substitute. Add more or less milk to suit the taste. So this is hot chocolate on a stick. That's awesome. So you just stick it in there, mix it around. Very cool. All right. Oh, I know what this is. I can't believe. I hope this is in good shape. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it has been like in the 90s here. This has been in transit for, it wasn't too bad, maybe 4 or 5 days, but we're in the middle of nowhere. And it took a detour, it wasn't supposed to. This is a chocolate covered apple. Holy cow, that is so cool. I am gonna get this out of this package and put it up on the turntable so you can boop, check that out. And I am really looking forward to that. I cannot believe it made it So it has marshmallow. Yeah. All right. Every time we go to Disney, one of my snacks that I pile into a suitcase, I know it's just a simple snack, but I just love plain chocolate. Look at these guys. Have you guys ever had these? Oh. They're just a simple snack, but they're 3 coins, and they are super good. And the tins that come off, I'm always like super careful when I take them off because I try and put them back together. But that is really cool. All right. Next up, we've got a big old thing of popcorn. Main Streat popcorn, caramel corn, regular caramel corn. That is awesome. This is not going to make it through the night right here, I can tell you that. I will put a better picture in the photo box. Boop. This is so cool. I cannot believe that Apple made it. And then I think this is the last thing, and all the confetti was underneath it, so I'm going to end this video with my confetti. So this is a Tutti Frutti lollipop, and that looks super tasty. I'll put a better picture. Boop. Yeah, it's going to be a tasty night around here. Alright, so I think that's... Oh, there's more hiding. Oh no, I see why the Apple made it now. Hang on. It's under the confetti. And it actually worked like an insulator, I think. Ta-da! That's why the Apple made it. So you can request ice packs, and I forget, I know she told me, yeah, it was $6. The first one we ever ordered, we had one put in there. And this is still cold to the touch, and it is really very warm outside. So this is what saved this. So if you're thinking about ordering them, and remember that they come from Florida. So even if you live in a cold area, it starts out in a very warm area. So I would always recommend this. And then when you're done, we have a bunch of them in the freezer. So all right, so that is that box. And I can't thank them enough for just sending me this. I guess I'm going to have to share some of this, but we'll see what happens. If you would like to order your own box, this one specifically comes out tomorrow. They just recently released one last weekend. I'm not sure if that one's still on there or not, but they're always changing and coming out with new boxes and trying to meet demand. And I know that a few of you have been frustrated after we put up some videos. It has been sometimes tough to get a box from them, but they are, again, remember, all this stuff is going on and there is not many ways to get what they need to fill these boxes. So they're doing the best they can, and try to get one because they're so worth it. If you'd like to get your own, there's a link in the description down below, or just go to Main Streat Treats Company on Facebook and they will hook you up. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to take our... I'm already thinking I'm done because I want to... If you'd like to take it out... If you'd like to take a look at our last video, it's right here. If you'd like to subscribe, it's right here. I hope you're having a great day.